152 billion. So just like overnight, we had a $20 billion increase in the market because it's getting closer to the 25th. It's also getting closer to the Ripple, so people are dumping huge amounts of money in there in speculation of the Ripple event that's going to be happening, the Swell conference for Ripple. So let's dive into this Bitcoin right now. Let's see where we're at. So Bitcoin, fix my screen. Bitcoin is at 5,600. So if we noticed last night, this dip right here was pretty much when the UK woke up, pretty much around 6 o'clock in the morning UK. So it was pretty much, I think it was like 9, 10 o'clock my time in California, Pacific Standard Time. And then it just dipped down, and then just went sideways for a bit, and it went up, I believe, to 6 in the morning my time. It usually does a little something around between 3 and 6 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, we've been noticing, because they know that America's asleep and they're making their moves. And I'm not sure if they're doing it intentionally, but it seems to be correlated pretty good with 3 to 6 o'clock time frame. So if we scroll in a little bit, we can see movement. I think Bitcoin tonight, I can't really tell where it's going to go. I'm not sure if the UK is going to dump it down again. It's Friday, it's the weekend, people are going to be out. I don't know how much they're going to be trading. So we're going to see, because this is totally new. But there's a lot more money in the market right now. So if we go over to NEO, let's go over to NEO. NEO is trading sideways because there's not much action in NEO, but there's money, or not much news in NEO, but there's money that came in. There's so much money that came in. Some people spread it around on these coins and they're trying to trade with it. And that's how you can see what this is going on right here. But overall, the money is still pouring into Bitcoin, hence the 54% dominance. That's where all the money's going in, because everyone, even the new people that just have a lot of money are hearing about all this stuff, and they're preparing by throwing a bunch of money in there to get these coins. Oops, sorry, there's someone outside. So that's where it is. So eBoost. Let's look at Ripple right now. Ripple's at 26 cents. That's been going up this morning. People have started to trade into it because this was down yesterday at around, we're talking 24 cents yesterday was what I was talking about. And, I'm thinking this coin will probably get to about 37, 40 cents plus around the 16th through the 19th. And then it'll sell off gradually or just real fast between the 19th, 20, and 21st, 22nd. Because of people realizing that the conference was just a conference, it's not changing anything in the coin. The coin still has 38 billion coins. And unless all those people just stay, everyone that put that money in there just stays confident, wants to hold tight for a long time, which I don't think they are, because most people are not, they're not in Ripple like that. I mean, they are in Ripple like that, but they're also, the people that are coming in right now, a lot of money, are trying to make a lot of money on it, and they'll probably just dive out of it when they see they doubled their profits when they went from 25 cents to close to 50 cents. So that'll be a factor. The long-termers will stay, though. There is a lot of long-termers. That's actually the main reason you're in this coin, is for long-term. But people will see opportunity right now. So eBoost, let's go into eBoost. I'm trying to squeeze a lot of this stuff in here. You can just see these coins are down. You throw your Bollinger Bands on here, this coin's down. Fibonacci would show this coin's just in the dump right now. So these are all on sale. If you see my chart right here on the right hand side, let me move myself over. You see my chart over here. Oh, sorry, one second. Let me zoom in. You can see all these coins right here. And you can see how they're all in the negative. We only have a couple that are holding green right now. There's money going in. People are trying to trade with these coins. And that's why these have come up. More than yesterday. We only had like 3 or 4, I believe. At the most, 5. And you can see that 11%. This coin's down. These coins are all down, in a general sense. Well, Ripple's up. NEO down 49.70. You're usually trading this coin in between 69 and 78, or 69, 71, 71, 74, in and out about 150 point spread on NEO right here. So it'd be like you would sell this at 51, 60, and then buy back in at like 49, 40. But that's the numbers that it's at now. Usually it'd be 69, 71. So that's you know, you can just see